To bypass a screen lock on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, as you can see right here, I have my phone, it's locked and I forgot the password. And to recover our device, we'll need to perform a hard reset on it. And what it does, it will delete everything from your device and you won't be able to kind of recover it if you haven't made a backup. And now, if you agree with that, let's proceed with this procedure. So we'll need to power off our device. Usually it goes by clicking on the power button and holding it for a few seconds until you can see the power menu that looks like that. Now switch to the power off side. If you do not toggle this option with the power button, you might need to click on power button and volume up button together and again hold them for a few seconds. So anyway, now we need to power off our device. Now give it a few seconds, and after that we'll need to click and hold power button and volume up button together at the same time. Hold those two buttons until your screen lights up, and after that let go of the power button. Now keep holding the volume up button until you can see recovery menu. Here we have it. So now we need to select wipe data. I think the touch screen doesn't work, so we need to navigate using the volume buttons and power button. So scroll down to the wipe data, click on the power button to select it, and then scroll down again to wipe all data and confirm it. Then scroll down again and confirm it yet again. Now give it a few moments until the reset is finished. Now we can go back to main menu and reboot our device. Reboot it to the system. And here we have the first setup screen. So let me go through it very quickly so that we can see the lock screen password is gone, and that we can recover it using the actual Google password. So let's move down and find the English language. I'm gonna hide the Wi-Fi password for now. Okay, so now as you can see, it asks me for the pattern and I don't remember it. So let's use the Google account instead. That way you'll be able to enter your email address and log into your Google account that was previously on this device. And that way you'll be able to recover your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.